is a video that you all have been clamoring for. This is my unboxing of the Realme 6. Good afternoon, you beautiful people. Welcome to another video on LAZADA's Tech, where we talk about tech in your real life in style. But before that, reminding you guys that I have a Realme 6i giveaway ongoing. There is more than one phone you can win, so I'll put the link down below. Right, so today's video is a highly anticipated one. I have gotten so many questions about the Realme 6 and finally, we're doing it. A few things first. So the Realme 6 is part of the Realme 6 line, and that includes the Realme 6i, which I have a video on and the review, and the Realme 6 Pro, which I just unboxed. This is basically the Goldilocks of the bunch. Yes, this is that supposedly affordable phone with a 90Hz display, and it's also a gaming-centric device fitted with a MediaTek Helio G90T processor. In the Philippines, we don't know the price yet, but it has been priced as follows for other countries. Anyway, yeah, let me show you. Another day, another unboxing, and it's crazy how phones are just coming out right and left now. So this is the Realme 6. So as you can see, that is the famous yellow box. Realme 6 at the back. It says an in-display selfie camera with a 90Hz display, a 64 megapixel quad camera setup, 30-watt flash charging with 4300 mAh battery, and a MediaTek Helio G90T processor. This particular version is in white, and I think there is a blue one, and it has 8 gig and 128 gig of storage. Right, unboxing time! Welcome to the Realme family. I always love how Realme greets you every time you open one of their boxes. Here we have, of course, info guide, quick guide, jelly case, and then whoop, the phone. We'll check that out later, but first, power brick. And then the cord, that is a USB Type-C, nice. And now friends, we finally move on to the phone. Okay, not sure if you can see that, but it says there that there are 3 slots, 2 for SIM cards and 1 for a micro SD card. Wow, that's pretty. Take this out. Oh wow, I love how that looks. Honestly, Realme phones have been slaying in the looks department. It sort of looks like there is a middle here, but that really reflects the light in a very beautiful way. Power button, and what I'm assuming is a fingerprint scanner on this side, and then on the other side, volume rockers and the SIM tray. Down here, we can find speaker grills, USB-C charging port, and an audio jack. Of course, what we do now is power it up, and while we do that, a montage. Right, so now you can see everything front and back of this phone, and I've also set it up, installed apps and everything. I just want to say before we go to the camera tour that this phone can supposedly charge from 0 to 100 in an hour, so that's a great thing. So now let's check out the camera. So here we are. This is the photo mode, and as you can see, it says portrait now because the AI detects that I'm here, and now it's turning this photo into portrait. You have wide, 1x, 2x, 5x. Oh my gosh, look, my earring, it's so clear. Nice. And then you can zoom up until 10x. For portrait mode, so you can see there is no zoom in and out, but you can adjust the bokeh as usual. You have filters over here, and then the settings, of course, gesture selfie. You also have the 64 megapixel shooter, and then here you have time lapse, ultra macro mode, Slow-mo Pro. So again, it gives you 1x, 2x, 5x, up until 10x, but there doesn't seem to be a wide. Let's check out video. So you also have wide, 1x, 2x, 5x, yes, again, earrings up until 10x. Ooh, my hands aren't so shaky, that'd be like clear. Ooh, look at the camera. Oh my gosh, my hands are so shaky. Anyway, there's also the ultra steady mode on here. So as you can see, unlike what we saw on the 6 Pro though, there's only one ultra steady mode and there's no ultra steady max. And then let's see what it shoots in. So it can shoot in 1080, 30 and 60 FPS, also 4K. On night mode, we have the same wide, 1x, 2x, 5x, and 10x. Right, on to the selfies. Right, so night mode selfie is an option. Of course, there's a beauty mode. You have the self timer here. And then on video, no zoom in or out. Video resolution is 1080p at 30 FPS. Photo mode, of course, you have the beauty modes, different ones. And then timer, settings, gesture to take selfie. So unlike the 6 Pro, there is no wide because there's only one camera up front. And then this is the portrait mode. Again, beauty mode, you can adjust bokeh here. And under more, you have slow-mo in the front-facing camera too, pano and time-lapse. Right, so now you know what time it is, right? Time to check out the cameras. So this is the front-facing camera of the Realme 6. Wow, look at these babies. Hi. Oh my gosh, what's going on here? Right. Okay. Okay, so this is what's going on. This is Blair and this is the front-facing camera of the Realme 6. You're hearing audio from the camera as well. Oh my gosh. So yeah, there are no wide angle modes or anything like that because there's only one shooter on this. This is the 1X now. Marnie, what are you doing there? 2X? 5X? 10X. So while you're recording, you can't really switch to wide, but you can still do video on wide mode, and this is using that mode. And that, folks, is our unboxing and hands-on and first look of the Realme 6. Let me know if you have questions about this phone and let me know what you think about this device in the comment section down below. I'm actually curious to see what you guys think. Stay tuned for the review, it's coming. And also, there's a Realme event on the 27th where they'll announce Philippine pricing. That's it for today. If you want to know about which gadgets I use or how I use this tech on a daily basis, you can find me on social media. That's at CisaSaid. One last thing before I go, I have a Realme 6i giveaway and there's more than one phone to be given away. I'll put the link down below. Good luck!